In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your very own second brain in Notion. This is an invaluable system that can help you organize your personal and professional life with ease. We'll take a step-by-step approach to ensure that you can follow along smoothly. So let's dive in. First up, we're going to head over to Notion. Once you've logged into your account, you'll want to set your sights on the profile button. It's usually located at the top right corner of your Notion interface. Go ahead and give it a click. This is the gateway to access all your personal settings and the next steps in creating your second brain. After clicking your profile, you'll find yourself in a new menu. What we need to do next is locate and select the Templates option. Templates are where you can find pre-designed setups that Notion offers to simplify creating structures like a second brain. So, click on Templates to move forward. Now, here comes a fun part. Once in the Templates section, you'll notice a search bar. Begin by typing in the words, second brain. This search will help you quickly locate the specific template we're looking for among the multitude of options available. As you type, the system will automatically filter the templates to fit your search criteria. Once the search results appear, you should see a template named Second Brain. This is the template designed to help create an efficient, organized setup for managing information, tasks, and ideas. Click on the Second Brain template to view more about its structure and benefits. This template is particularly useful because it's designed to function much like a digital mind map, allowing you to effortlessly store and retrieve any information you might need. After reviewing the template and ensuring it's the perfect fit for your needs, it's time to make it part of your Notion workspace. So, the final step is to simply hit the Add button. By doing so, you're effectively importing the setup into your workspace, where you can further customize it to match your personal workflow or aesthetic preferences. Setting up your second brain in Notion means you're just a few clicks away from where you can organize everything from daily tasks to long-term goals. You can tweak the template as needed. Inserting your tasks, projects, notes, and whatever else helps streamline your life. And just like that, your second brain is ready to be put to work, empowering you to handle information with greater efficiency and clarity. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and that you're excited to start using your new second brain. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Enjoy your newly organized digital life.